Welcome back to another adventure. This week we hit the water and head to the Wolf River campsites in Strathcona Park for an awesome weekend of exploring by foot and canoe.
After a few hours of paddling, we made it to the campsite and started setting up camp.
Because we're camping out of the canoe and not backpacking this time, we could splurge a little bit. We have a full gallon of apple cider. Still being cold and damp from the paddle there, we spent our first night warming up around the fire with a nice hot pot of homemade chili. We woke up to a sunny but brisk morning. The rain from the night before had moved on and the sun was shining. We decided to whip up a nice warm pot of chicken noodle soup for breakfast and paddle over to the other side of the river to enjoy it in the warmth of the sun. As much as we love canoeing, we are hiking people, backpackers, so we're gonna go explore this area by foot. I thought this trail went down to the waterfall, but we're like a couple hundred feet higher than the waterfall. But we're gonna keep following the trail, see where it goes. Hopefully it's somewhere cool. I'm not sure if we're on the trail anymore, but we came up to these crazy cliffs. And I'm too scared to get too close to the edge, so I'll just hang you guys over.
We continue up the trail to a perfect snack spot.
After failing to make it to the waterfall by foot, we hop in the canoe and start paddling upstream. We need a boat like that. That's pretty cool. This is as close to the waterfall as we can get. So, I guess it's time to head back.
Yeah.
How's it going, guys?
Now we don't even have to paddle. Is that cute or what? Tonight for dinner, we're gonna have some Kansas soup. That's some good soup.
It's the last day and I almost forgot to show you guys our campsite. We got our tent, sweet tent pad, nice and flat. It's awesome. Comes with a picnic table. Beautiful fire ring with dinner cooking. That doesn't come with it. This is where we put our canoe. And then, how about here? You got a mountain. And then if you look this way, you got more mountains. And then if you look that way, there's a mountain back there. There's a pretty epic waterfall down there. Did I mention that this place is freaking awesome yet? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, there we go. It's just so cool. We saw a bear walking on that riverbank over there earlier. I love this place. We basically come here every weekend now. It's a different part of the park, but God, this place is awesome. I don't know if we could have asked for a better day. It rained last night. It's gonna rain tomorrow morning, but we had one full sunny day to explore around here. Overall, it's been a pretty good trip. For the rest of the night, we sat and hung out by the fire.
Before we go, I just want to give a shout out to our biggest fan, Trent. Thanks for watching all our videos.